Screech of the Deech.
Screech of the Deech.
Look at the concentration in that hand action. Let's get a close-up on the wrist action. There we go. Oh, you think he's done this before? Let's watch this rod tip.
Whoops.
Oh, yeah, we almost had it. All right, Dad is really going for it now. He's up to 3. Let's watch his action. Look at this. So, Dad, how is it so far?
What's that?
What are we doing?
I'm looking for another fish.
Should I show the viewers what you've caught so far?
Twice.
3 times.
Was it 3 times?
Yeah, let's show them. Those are actual size. Oh my God. Hang on, Dad. Hold it.
Yeah.
Boy, Dad, hang on to that rod. Okay, bring her in, Pop. Here, I'll help you there. That's a big one. Hang on. There we go. Bring her in. Okay. Lift her into the boat. Can you manage that? Okay.
Yeah, look at that.
I've never been more proud, Dad.
How about that?
Yeah. Give him a hand.
Oh, let him go.
Okay, we'll let him go. Say goodbye, Dad.
Yeah.